Welcome to the Clubhouse at the venue at Werner Park here in Papillion, Nebraska. Today, I'm going to share with you a little bit of my thought process behind the design. When you walk into the Clubhouse, you enter in kind of the waiting and the leasing area. And this space is connected to a large furniture grouping and a small seating area facing a fireplace. When I started designing this space, I started with a neutral base palette. So the walls and the ceiling are very neutral. It's kind of a pumice color, so that as the color trends go from cool to warm and back again, this space will be kind of a chameleon color and really adjust with the trends. And then, to bring in some pops of color, we brought in the Nebraska state flag with that navy and that golden ochre. And we have these kind of sprinkled around the space to keep your eye moving. This is the first space that potential renters see when they come to the property. So I wanted to make sure that it was warm and inviting. I also strategically designed different furniture groupings so that everyone could find a comfortable space for them. When I first started reviewing the plans from the architect, we had to push and pull some of the walls to make sure we could get all of the furniture groupings that the ownership wanted. Since the space is so large, I knew we had to add some texture and some dimension to really liven it up. So I added this herringbone installed plank on the floor. I wrapped some of the columns in this really nice textural stone, and then I did a deep stain on the ceiling beams to add a lot of warmth. We had this custom hand-painted wallpaper made locally to bring in that navy blue, blend up through the wall color and into the ceiling paint as kind of an emphasis. And I intentionally put that right here behind the leasing desk to draw people into this point. I'm going to show you some of the details of this custom beast we designed. It's really important to me to design this mammoth entertainment unit just perfectly because I wanted it to be the anchor for this furniture grouping and the focal point for the room. Not only did I want it to house a TV, I also wanted it to hold local pottery, antiques, and books from local sources. So what I did was I drew it all up in CAD to get the dimensions perfect, then I worked with a local cabinet company to bring it to life. One question I get asked a lot is why would you put white fabric in a commercial space? Well, actually, all the fabrics that I selected for this project are high performance, heavy use commercial grade fabrics. And actually most can withstand up to 100,000 double rubs, have some type of Krypton or stain repellent finish on them, and can really just be used and abused. This fabric was one of the very first fabrics that I selected for the entire space. It's kind of a launching piece because it brings in a lot of the colors that I was wanting to use into one piece. I used it here on the throw pillows, and I also used it up in the front on the ottomans. Finally, I made it my goal to commission as many local artists, woodworkers, and vendors as possible because I wanted the literal fingerprints of hardworking Nebraskans all over this project. So we worked with everyone from local ceramicists, we found local authors, local woodworkers, hand-painted wall coverings, and so much more to all fit into this one beautiful space. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for our next video where I show you the kitchen, dining room, and billiards area. Bye for now.